how to enable or disable camera video stabilization on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on the camera app. You can also open up the camera app from the app screen. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top. Then in the camera settings page, we scroll down to the video section. And in here, tap on video stabilization. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to go back to the camera. In here, you can then start to take a video. Hopefully, when you turn on video stabilization, that should help stop the video from shaking too much when you are recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.